Children are always active and on the go, and the educator often struggles to keep students engaged. The solution? Reinvent classroom teaching practice through experiential learning as recommended by NEP 2020. Experiential learning is concrete and makes concepts clear. It takes children beyond the world of textbooks. There is scope to experiment, create, and innovate, to reflect, design, critique, collaborate, communicate. It develops life skills in children. They learn how to learn and also how to lead. It improves their social and mental well-being and makes them more confident. Education is undergoing a revolutionary change. Our children need to be equipped with 21st century skills and learning processes. A 2020 survey of 6,500 teachers notes that educators are on the lookout for ideas and strategies that make the learning process more meaningful, that add challenges, that allow linkages with real life, and hone creativity, communication, and collaboration skills among their students. How can our educators acquire the additional pedagogical tools required to meet the growing needs of their students? They need quality support. Ministry of Tribal Affairs and CBSE present Experiential Learning for the 21st Century, a certificate course for educators towards achieving the aims of NEP 2020 in collaboration with Tata Trusts, Tata Institute of Social Sciences, Mumbai, and Mahatma Gandhi International School, Ahmedabad. This online course is of 6 weeks duration on the TISX platform and includes webinars by expert pedagogues. The course is certified by TIS Mumbai, a deemed university. The course content includes classroom videos on joyful learning, student voice, active learning, and teacher facilitation. In this course, theoretical perspectives will be presented through animation. Educators are encouraged to take the course in smaller chunks, practice the concepts, and engage in discussion with their peers on the discussion forums. They will get regular support from mentors on the Telegram group. The course encourages multiple perspectives for reflection and exhorts educators to practice new tools with the children. The course enables educators to develop transdisciplinary project maps and lesson plans with their peers. Additional resources, podcasts, story videos, and exemplar lesson plans will be provided. The course will be offered in blended mode, synchronous and asynchronous. All of this empowers educators to design a classroom where children develop their 21st century skills: collaboration, communication, creativity, and critical thinking.
I find myself going back to the process, going back to design thinking. We are trying to introduce the concepts of design thinking. We are going back to reflection. We are going back to how to set a SMART goal. And what does a SMART goal mean for every team?
I have heard even anyone who was little negative about it extremely in praise of the total outcome, So for everybody, it is just that take this plunge and you will feel very wow about it at the end.
At the end, it's that aha moment. Suddenly you realize, oh, this is what I've been studying all this while and I didn't realize it. Oh, that's beautiful. I think as a teacher, nothing works better.
And the parents definitely, they're extremely happy when children are doing something by themselves and they're asking parents, taking help, calling up. So that is a very beautiful experience for everybody.
Remember, an empowered educator can bring out the best in his or her students.